Sean "Diddy" Combs, one of the most influential figures in the music industry, is now at the center of a legal battle that has captivated headlines nationwide. In July 2025, Combs was convicted on 2 counts of transportation for the purposes of prostitution under the Mann Act, a law dating back to 1910, originally designed to combat forced prostitution. However, he was acquitted of the far more serious charges of racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking, charges that, if upheld, could have resulted in a life sentence. The trial and its outcome have sparked intense debate. Combs' legal team has moved swiftly, filing a motion at the end of July to overturn his convictions, or, at the very least, grant him a new trial. Their argument is unprecedented. They claim that the Mann Act was misapplied, highlighting that there was no evidence of coercion, commercial gain, or exploitation, factors typically central to such cases. Instead, they assert that the activities in question were consensual between adults and should be considered protected expressions under the First Amendment. Meanwhile, Diddy remains incarcerated at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, a facility his lawyers describe as harsh and overcrowded. Prosecutors are pushing for a substantial precedent sentence and have opposed his $50 million bail request, raising concerns about potential flight risk and public safety. While sentencing guidelines suggest a term of 4 to 5 years, the prosecution argues for an even longer sentence, while the defense contends that 21 to 27 months would be more appropriate given the circumstances. In a surprising twist, former President Donald Trump has indicated he's considering a presidential pardon for Combs. The possibility of an intervention at the highest level of government adds yet another layer of uncertainty. As the legal drama unfolds, all eyes remain fixed on the courthouse, awaiting the judge's next move and the fate of a music icon.